Hey guys, I'm continuing my Python tutorial videos, and this is my second video. So, I want to give a brief recap on an input. So, an input function pretty much suspends a program until an appropriate action command is given, or if the enter button is pressed. Until those criteria are met, the program will not commence. So, I'd like to show you something else inputs can do. So, as you've seen in my last video, I've done a hello world program with the print function. Now, what if I could run this? Hello world. See? It works. Now, you're gonna probably ask me now, then why did you teach me the print function? Why? Why was it the purpose? And I'm gonna answer to you this. Why not? Well, because the print function may seem redundant because it won't accept values, but that just gives it more versatility. Because if it doesn't accept values, then it would just display text. That's good if you want a program that doesn't accept values. So keep that in mind if you're working with either print or input and you can't decide which one to use. So, with that said, I'd like to focus on my next topic, variables. Now, a variable is when something equals to another thing, or you compare two values by setting them equal to each other. So, if you do a equals 5, or print a, and then you do input a, you're pretty much calling these variables. It will print 5 twice because 5 is A and A is 5. These two things are equal. So the thing is, do not get confused with 5 for A, because it kind of is like the square and rectangle thing. The square is a rectangle, but not all rectangles are squares. It's kind of a logic problem like that, so keep that in mind. So A equals 5. All A's equal 5, but not all 5's equal A. That's what I'm trying to say. And when you're calling a variable, you're not supposed to use quotation marks because it won't work. The interpreter will think that you're trying to put the text in, so it will actually just put the letter A on the console. You do not want that. So just keep that in mind also. So you keep putting A in the parentheses without the quotation marks. Remember, that's called calling a variable. When you're calling it, so when Python sees a variable, it will save one value as another, like into a variable, and then it will, when you're calling the variable, it will just make things simpler. So yeah, like for example, if I can even do it like this: A equals to please do not stop making videos for me. Okay. We got that, and we do print A, and we save that. Well, of course I didn't put the input. I was intentionally doing that because I just wanted to get on with the video. So this concludes my video, and I'm gonna conclude my videos from now on by making a quiz for each and every one of you. And my challenge is for you to create a 10-line program that contains both print, input, and variables. Be sure to call the variable in either print or input at least once, and I would also require that you use the print and input functions at least twice. So variables they do count as lines because you're entering, and I'd like to see what progress you've made. So bye guys.